sunny now.
It's sunny now. The snow is melting. I hope I don't fall down. Hi, bird. Do you like snow, bird? Oh, I don't want to fall down. Oh my God. This tree. It collapsed
Wow.
from there. Oh my God, don't fall on me. March, look at the camera. Super heavy snow. Prepare from March, take video of me. I cannot reach. This one, the power shake. Let's help this tree. It's so heavy, huh? It's not bent anymore. Oh, this one's bent.
Wow, a lot of trees in the,
Oh my God!
because
You got in.
the tree's so weak.
Plastic.
Who called you?
Huh? Wow! Let's look!
Rihanna?
So many trees bent!
Mm.
Oh my God.
It's a broken, you know.
Is he safe? My fall on me. Oh, look at this.
Oh.
The trees just both sides bent. Oh, yeah.
You made a tree tunnel.
Tree tunnels with the vines. Mine's take a video. It's just so heavy. Tiro, tiro, tiro.
Tree tunnel.
I'll shake this one. I'll shake this pine. Okay, ready? November 28th in Chanmasan, the mountain behind our apartment. The snow is melting. It's sunny. Look, it's so white everywhere. Oh God, somebody pee! Human pee! This is not dog pee! So bad! So fucking smelly, motherfucker! Oh. Snow is melting! Ah! Let's go, let's go home.
No.
You wanna walk further? I wanna walk further, Styrex. I wanna take your video.
Come on. Yeah.
This is my Styrex tree. It survived. It blooms very beautiful small white flowers and smells so good. Look at all the snow. And this one, wow. Go farther. Uncle, I'm gonna fall down. No, you move backwards. I don't wanna go further. Look at
Go further.
No, shut up. Scared. It's feel slippery. Oh, the sun is gone. It was so nice when the sun was
There's a
out.
cloud there.
Yeah. Wow. Knee high. No, shin high.
Done?
No, continue. Wait, I will remove more snow first, Styrex, don't die. I need you to bloom spring. Okay? Oh, shit. I need a long twig. Oh, well, it's really submerged. Oh, shin high, not knee high. Ni hai ma. Can you walk back